Welcome back to ChainFinance, your home for advanced blockchain knowledge, simple explanations, and deep concepts. Today's topic is one of the biggest upgrades in crypto. It's called Account Abstraction, and it's changing everything. Let's break it down. Starting from zero. Crypto wallets are evolving fast, and this upgrade is massive. But what exactly is Account Abstraction? Why is everyone in Web3 talking about it? And how will it transform the future of smart wallets? Today, you'll understand it clearly, in a simple but advanced way. Without confusion, let's start with Ethereum accounts. Ethereum has two types of accounts today: externally owned accounts controlled by private keys, and contract accounts controlled by smart contract code. Your MetaMask is an externally owned account. Smart contracts use contract accounts. These two accounts behave differently, and that creates limitations for developers and users, especially beginners. That's why account abstraction exists. It removes this separation. With account abstraction, your wallet becomes a smart contract wallet, meaning your wallet becomes programmable, flexible, and customizable. Smart contract wallets can do things normal wallets can't. They unlock extra features and improve security. This is a huge upgrade for Ethereum and for Web3 adoption. The biggest benefit is recoverability. No more losing everything if you lose your private key. Smart wallets allow recovery systems, trusted contacts, email recovery, multi-factor authentication, biometrics, just like modern banking apps. This removes fear for new users and makes crypto more accessible. Another big feature is automation. Smart wallets allow automatic payments, subscription systems, monthly transfers, auto-pay rules for apps, all without signing every single transaction. This makes Web3 smoother and easier for real-world usage, especially in DeFi. But that's not all. Smart wallets can also batch transactions. Instead of signing multiple steps, you sign once, and the wallet handles everything. No repeated pop-ups, no confusion. This improves the user experience massively and makes complex apps simple, even for beginners. Now let's talk about gas. Smart wallets support gas sponsorship. Someone else can pay your gas fee, or the dApp can pay your fee. Or you can pay gas and stay. You no longer need ETH to interact. This removes the biggest onboarding barrier. It enables gasless transactions and helps millions enter Web3 easily. This is a game changer, and it's all enabled by ERC-4337. ERC-4337 is the standard behind account abstraction. It adds account abstraction without changing Ethereum's base layer. It introduces bundlers to process smart wallet operations. Bundlers make everything smooth and efficient. Ethereum stays secure, developers get flexibility, and users get a much better experience. This standard unlocks the smart wallet future, a future where wallets are apps, not just private keys. Account abstraction improves security too. Smart wallets can limit spending, block suspicious actions, require multiple approvals, add time lock protection, prevent mistakes and hacks, something normal wallets cannot do. This is the next era of Web3 wallets, and account abstraction is leading the way.